What if I told you your backyard could add tens of thousands of dollars to your home's value? Most homeowners spend thousands renovating kitchens while completely ignoring the space buyers see before they even walk inside. The biggest transformation doesn't start with expensive landscaping. It starts with a plan. Create 3 zones: a relaxing lounge, a dining area, and a splash of greenery that naturally guides the eye. Which means even a modest yard feels larger, more organized, and far more luxurious. But here's the secret professional landscape designers use. Layer your plants. Place taller trees or shrubs in the back, medium-sized plants in the middle, and colorful flowers or ground covers in the front. That simple trick creates depth and makes your yard look professionally designed. Then add warm outdoor lighting. Solar path lights, uplighting on trees, and soft patio lighting completely transform your space after sunset. And don't underestimate mulch. Fresh mulch instantly makes garden beds look clean, healthy, and well-maintained for a fraction of the cost of major renovations. Finish everything with a simple stone walkway or modern edging. Those clean lines create a polished look that instantly boosts curb appeal. The best part? Many of these upgrades can be completed over a weekend without hiring a professional. A beautiful landscape doesn't just impress your neighbors. It creates an outdoor space you'll actually love using, and it may increase your home's value at the same time. Follow for more landscaping ideas, home improvement tips, and outdoor design inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to Property Via and tanmarket.com and turn on notifications, so you never miss our latest videos on real estate, property management, home design, landscaping, investing, and home improvement. This content is provided for educational and informational purposes only. Landscaping costs, project outcomes, property values, and return on investment may vary by location, market conditions, design choices, and contractor performance.